In this video, we are going to learn how to draw polygon in 2D sketch, how to insert a point in 2D sketch, and how to draw text along a curve. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Click on the polygon and after that insert a polygon in the front plane in this manner. And we have a panel. In the panel, we have the option category and the parameters. I described option category previous. Now in the parameters category, we have the first box that describes the number of sides that the polygon have. We can change the number of sides in this fashion. This option described whether a polygon inscribed a circle or circumscribed a circle. And this describes the x-coordinate of the center point, and this describes the y-coordinate of the center point, and this describes the diameter of the circle. This describes the angle the polygon have. Now discuss about how to insert a point in 2D sketch. Click on the point and click on that line or circle where you want to insert a point. We can insert a point in this fashion, like this. And now we are going to learn how to insert text along a curve. First of all, we have to insert a spline or a curve like this. And after that, click on the text button and select this curve and write the text which you want to insert. This, zoom it in the fashion and you can see the name here. You can change the font by deselecting this and click on the font button. The dialog box or the next window appears in this fashion. Click OK.